Did you know that BlackRock and Goldman Sachs are investing in the RWA, real-world assets crypto sector? This move will pump our bags and create 100x plays that could turn $1,000 into $100,000. Before we get into the list, drop a like on this video as it is packed with research, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to get the best alpha crypto gems. Also, this content is not financial advice. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram group through the link in the description. I have made many amazing calls in the group, including multiple 10x's, multiple 20x's, and an over 40x call. The feedback has been amazing, and you are genuinely missing out if you aren't in already. So why invest in RWA crypto tokens? RWA tokenization is the process of converting real-world asset ownership into digital tokens on the blockchain. With blockchain tech advancing in data security, more financial institutions are recognizing its potential. To bring real-world assets on-chain, they need to be tokenized. Investors see this as a critical step and are betting big on this tech. Experts estimate that by 2030, the market cap of tokenization will hit around $16 trillion. We can already see companies forming more partnerships with hotel chains, hospitals, and real estate agencies to tokenize assets. The RWA market is expanding rapidly, driving real changes in traditional markets. With this trajectory, most financial institutions are likely to adopt and support this narrative. Financial organizations are already gearing up for the future development of the RWA tokenization ecosystem. Goldman Sachs, one of the world's largest investment banks, announced plans to launch 3 new tokenization products this year in the US and Europe. The company also plans to create trading platforms for tokenized assets. In a CNBC interview, BlackRock CEOs Larry Fink emphasized that Bitcoin and ETH ETF are just stepping stones towards tokenization, and I truly believe this is our future. Here is the interview.
I actually believe this technology is going to be very important. Look at it. We have been part of a huge revolution in investing through ETFs. We believe that ETFs will be changing the whole way we invest. Many people still use it as a means, well, people are investing it for indexing. No, the majority of people who are putting money in in ETFs are active investors that are buying exposure. The entire bond market is being transformed as we talk right now. I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. And think about it, it changes the whole ecosystem.
BlackRock has also recently introduced its first $100 million tokenized fund. MakerDAO launched the Spark Tokenization Grand Prix, aiming to attract $1B in tokenized real-world assets. The initiative has drawn interest from major financial giants, including BlackRock. BlackRock will participate through its BITUNIX tokenized treasury fund. Fidelity International has partnered with JP Morgan to tokenize its money market fund on the Onyx blockchain. This move follows JP Morgan's successful tokenization of BlackRock's MMF shares, which were transferred to Barclays for collateral. Fidelity's integration with Onyx digital assets aims to enhance collateral efficiency and reduce transaction costs. All of this positions RWA as a top-tier narrative in this bull run, backed by major traditional finance firms, and due to the recent market flash crash, there are some great entries on top projects right now. But as we know, for altcoins to pump, we need Bitcoin and Ethereum to perform well, as the gains from them often trickle down into altcoins, especially ERC20 tokens, as they are built on the Ethereum blockchain. So let's first take a look at Bitcoin. In this Bitcoin chart, we see that Bitcoin is trading within a descending channel, highlighted in yellow. The price has recently bounced off the lower boundary of this channel, forming a double bottom pattern, which is often seen as a bullish reversal signal. Looking at the MACD indicator at the bottom of the chart, there's a bullish crossover with the MACD line in blue crossing above the signal line in orange, and the histogram turning green. This suggests that bullish momentum is building up, potentially leading to a move towards the upper boundary of the channel. The RSI indicator further supports this outlook. After being in bearish territory, the RSI has started to turn up, moving away from the oversold zone. This upward movement in the RSI, along with the bullish signals from the MACD, suggests that Bitcoin could be entering a recovery phase. So things are looking okay for Bitcoin, but it's important to keep an eye on things. If you want to stay updated with the latest information, then I recommend following me on X, link in the description. Now let's turn our attention to Ethereum, as a lot of the coins in this video are Ethereum-based tokens. In this Ethereum chart, we observe that the price recently tested a significant support zone, highlighted in blue. This area has historically acted as a strong support level, and once again, the price appears to be respecting this zone, bouncing off it in recent sessions. MACD indicator. The MACD indicator below the price chart shows some promising signs. After a period of bearish momentum, indicated by the red bars on the histogram, we now see the histogram starting to turn green. This suggests that the downward momentum is weakening. Additionally, the MACD line is curving upwards, moving towards a potential bullish crossover with the signal line. If this crossover occurs, it would indicate a possible shift towards bullish momentum. RSI indicator. The RSI at the bottom of the chart supports the bullish outlook. The RSI was previously in bearish territory, but it has now started to turn upwards from an oversold level below 30, currently sitting around 34.29. This upward movement suggests that the selling pressure might be easing and buyers could start regaining control. In summary, Ethereum appears to be finding support at a key level, with both the MACD and RSI indicators hinting at a potential bullish reversal. The MACD's shift towards positive momentum and the RSI bounce from oversold conditions suggest that Ethereum might be gearing up for a recovery. If the price continues to hold above the support zone and these indicators confirm the bullish signals, we could see a move towards higher levels in the near term. But before we get to the coins, please remember that this content is not financial advice and that you must conduct your own research before making any decisions. Here's the list of the most promising RWA tokens. Number 1, Ondo. Currently priced at 0.75 cents with a market cap of $1.1 billion. Why invest in Ondo? Ondo Finance is a securities tokenization project that connects traditional finance with digital assets to enhance accessibility and liquidity. It is one of the leading RWA projects. In terms of technical analysis, Ondo is at an excellent entry level right now. In this Ondo chart, I've identified a key support zone, highlighted in blue. This area has proven to be a strong level where buyers tend to step in, which is why I marked it as a potential entry point for a long position. Recently, the price has tested this support zone again and is showing signs of bouncing off, indicating that the bullish momentum might be building up. Based on these signals, I anticipate that Ondo might be gearing up for a move to the upside. The green arrow I placed on the chart illustrates the potential upward trajectory I'm expecting, targeting higher price levels as the next step if the bullish momentum continues. In summary, this setup looks promising for a potential upward move from this support level, especially with the MACD providing a bullish crossover. It might be a good opportunity to consider a long position with an eye on the next resistance levels. What are the potential profits? It looks like Ondo could go up 80%, and in better market conditions, I think it could go further. The good thing about Ondo is that you can use leverage, so even if you use just 5x leverage on this trade, you would make 400% profit. This means you could make around $2,000 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. If you want to trade cryptocurrency with leverage, I would recommend using BITUNIX or CoinW. They are available worldwide, and if you sign up through my link, you are eligible for bonuses and potential airdrops. Just yesterday, 2 traders were rewarded with $100 each just for trading on my link. Number 2, Mantra. Currently priced at 98 cents with a market cap of $824 million. Why invest in Mantra? Layer 1 blockchain is designed specifically for compliance, ensuring adherence to and enforcement of real-world regulatory standards. In terms of technical analysis in this Mantra chart, I've highlighted a key trend line in blue that has been serving as a strong support level for quite some time. The price has consistently bounced off this trend line, and it recently did so again, indicating that buyers are still stepping in at this level. This is why I've drawn a green arrow to illustrate the potential upward movement I'm expecting. Looking at the MACD indicator below the price chart, there's a notable bullish divergence forming. The MACD line is starting to curve upwards, showing signs of potential bullish momentum. The histogram has also begun to shift towards positive territory, which further supports the idea that the downward pressure might be weakening, and a reversal could be on the horizon. The RSI indicator at the bottom of the chart approaching a strong support level that it has bounced off previously twice also adds to this bullish outlook. The RSI has been in bearish territory for a while, but it has now started to turn upwards, indicating that the oversold conditions are easing and we might see the buying strength return. The green arrow on the RSI mirrors this potential shift in momentum. In summary, with the price bouncing off the strong trendline support, a bullish divergence forming on the MACD, and the RSI starting to turn up from oversold conditions, this setup looks promising for a potential upward move. What are the potential profits? I think it's possible that Mantra could retest the resistance, making a 40% move. Again, we can use leverage for Mantra, so with just 5x leverage, we could get a 200% profit. This means you could make around $1,000 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project were to hit the price target we set. Number 3. Clearpool. Currently priced at 97 cents, with a market cap of $58 million. Why invest in Clearpool? Clearpool is a decentralized finance platform designed to bridge traditional finance and blockchain technology by enabling institutional borrowers to access unsecured loans directly from the DeFi ecosystem. It offers a unique value proposition through its dynamic interest rates, single borrower liquidity pools, and tokenized credit relationships, providing transparency and competitive yields. Clearpool's integration with Credera enhances borrower risk assessment, ensuring a secure lending environment. The project's growing partnerships and expansion across multiple blockchains underscore its potential as a leading platform for institutional DeFi lending. If we take a look at the charts for Clearpool, we observe that the price has been consistently finding support within the blue shaded area. Each time the price has dipped into this zone, it has rebounded strongly, leading to significant upward moves. These past rallies are highlighted with green rectangles, showing impressive gains of 66%, 138%, and even over 230% after bouncing off this support. Trendline and potential breakout. The chart also features a descending green trend line that has been acting as resistance. Currently, the price is nearing this trend line again, and the price action suggests a possible breakout. If the price can break above this trend line, it could trigger another strong rally, similar to the previous ones. The green arrows point towards potential targets based on historical performance, suggesting gains of 63%, 122%, and even up to 232% if the pattern repeats. TSI indicator. At the bottom of the chart, we have the True Strength Index indicator. The TSI has been a reliable indicator of momentum shifts in the past, as shown by the green circles where bullish crossovers occurred, leading to strong upward moves. Currently, we see another bullish crossover forming, highlighted by the yellow circle, which could indicate that the momentum is shifting back in favor of the bulls. In summary, Clearpool is at a critical juncture, with the price testing a significant support zone and potentially breaking above a long-standing descending trend line. The TSI indicator supports the idea of a bullish reversal, suggesting that we could see another strong rally similar to previous ones. What are the potential profits? This setup looks promising for a potential upward move, with targets of 63%, 122%, and 232% gains based on historical patterns. You can't leverage trade with Clearpool, but you can buy it on the spot market on BITUNIX. We will use the 232% target to calculate profits. Of course, this is just speculation, and we recommend taking profits based on your own situation. This means you can make around $1,160 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project were to hit the price target we set. Number 4. IX Swap. Currently priced at 40 cents, with a market cap of $71 million. Why invest in IX Swap? Investing in IX Swap offers a unique opportunity to participate in the tokenization of real-world assets, bridging traditional finance with the decentralized finance space. IX Swap acts as a decentralized exchange and automated market maker specifically designed for security tokens, addressing the liquidity challenges that have long hindered the tokenization industry. By enabling fractional ownership and compliant trading of tokenized assets, IX Swap democratizes access to private market investments, allowing smaller investors to participate in opportunities typically reserved for institutional players. The platform's regulatory compliance and innovative use of blockchain technology make it a compelling choice for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios into emerging digital asset markets. There isn't too much to cover in terms of technical analysis. It looks like IX bounced from its support strongly, and has made a bullish crossover on the True Strength Index. What are the potential profits? I think it's likely that IX swap retests resistance and makes gains of 100%. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means you could make around $500 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. Number 5. Relio Network. Currently priced at 99 cents with a market cap of $54 million. Why invest in Relio Network? Rio is a fully compliant Layer 1 blockchain for real-world assets built with the Cosmos SDK and compatible with both EVM and non-EVM chains. It features an open-source, permissionless, and purpose-built design. Tokenize and store RWA. Fully SEC compliant. In this Relio chart, we observe that the price is currently testing a strong support zone, highlighted in blue. This area has previously acted as a reliable base for upward movements, and the price appears to be bouncing off this level once again, signaling a potential bullish reversal. The True Strength Index at the bottom of the chart is showing a downward trend but is beginning to flatten out. This suggests that the bearish momentum might be weakening, and if the TSI line starts to turn upward, it could confirm a shift toward bullish momentum. The MACD indicator supports this potential bullish scenario. The MACD line has just crossed above the signal line, which is a classic bullish crossover. The histogram has also turned positive, further indicating that the selling pressure is easing and the buyers might be gaining control. In summary, Relio is showing signs of a potential reversal from a key support zone, with both the TSI and MACD indicators suggesting a shift toward bullish momentum. What are the potential profits? I've highlighted potential targets for the upward move, with the first target at 1.027, which represents a 103% gain from the current price level. The second target is at 1.682, reflecting a possible 170% increase if the bullish momentum continues. We will use 170% for the price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means you could make around $850 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. Number 6. Boston Protocol. Currently priced at 27 cents, with a market cap of $35 million. Why invest in Boston Protocol? Boston Protocol is Web3's decentralized commerce layer, enabling the selling of RWA as NFTs. It has a team of doxed team of Web2 pros. They also recently just announced a partnership with WooCommerce. They announced it in a Twitter thread where they said the following: scaling the Boston ecosystem in partnership with e-commerce giant WooCommerce. Completion of the Boston app for WooCommerce enables 4 million Woo stores to easily integrate Boston Protocol. Our next phase of development is building an ecosystem on top of Boston. Our strategy is to install Boston as the decentralized base layer for the physical RWA ecosystem by developing products across a range of scaled distribution channels, including 1. Mass e-commerce via Boston X WooCommerce strategic partnership. 2. Verified physical RWA via Fermion, the first protocol built on Boston. 3. Web3 X gaming bridge via Roblox integration. 4. Mass retail via physical RWA global marketplace. As Web3 adoption returns, this positions Boston as the decentralized base layer for the tokenization and exchange of all physical real-world assets. A very bullish partnership for a project with just a $35 million market cap. What are the potential profits? Looking at the charts, Boston is in a good position to make a bounce here. If it retests the major resistance, it could spike 230%, but with the growth of the RWA space and the partnerships that Boston is creating, I think it is feasible it breaks through this resistance and spikes over 500%. This means you could make around $2,500 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. Boston isn't listed on many exchanges, so if you want to buy the coin, I recommend using the Sigma Telegram bot. It is the best and easiest way to buy Ethereum chain coins that are not listed on exchanges. If you go through the link in the description, deposit, and trade, you will be eligible for giveaways. Number 7. Polytrade. Currently priced at 56 cents, with a market cap of $21 million. Why invest in Polytrade? Polytrade is blockchain-based trade finance platform designed to bridge secure real-world assets with the crypto space. They have a massive ecosystem, as you can see on screen now. Polytrade has a massive community and very active social medias. They constantly have bullish developments, and the project looks like it could be set to make a massive comeback. What are the potential profits? Polytrade could retest its all-time highs and hit $3. This means you could make around $2,200 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. I recommend using SigmaBot for Polytrade. Now before I show you the next coin, please drop a like on the video for all of this free value, and be sure to subscribe with notifications on to not miss out on another video. Number 8. LandX. Currently priced at 67 cents, with a market cap of $4.7 million. Why invest in Ondo? LandX allows you to invest and trade agricultural commodities backed by farmland on-chain. LandX has X tokens like X wheat, X corn, and X rice. Each X token is backed by real farmland and can only be minted in proportion to loans issued to actual farmers. LandX developed proof of reserves in collaboration with the Network firm auditors and Chainlink Functions Tech, demonstrating their commitment to transparency and industry best practices. Now you can use the LandX yield calculator to estimate your profits from investing in various commodities. The APY are very high, around 30%. LandX is a very interesting project that could make waves in the RWA crypto industry. What are the potential profits? In the right market conditions, I think LandX could hit a $50 million market cap, which is around a 10x recurrent price. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means you could make around $4,500 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. I would recommend using SigmaBot to buy LandX. But did you know meme coins are currently the best performing cryptocurrencies in the markets this year? That's why we have found the top best meme coins to buy right now, so click the video on screen to learn about these coins. Trust me, you do not want to miss this video.